Time is back! What I'm gonna do? Man, you have to let me take over now. No, I will never do that again. And I have a tutorial video to do. Okay, but it's coming fast, and this time he seems really pissed off. Oh my god! Fine, go ahead. But do you realize that you don't have the... Hahaha, finally, I'm in charge now. Wait, what? Where is the rest of the suit? That's what I was trying to tell you. I only made the mask, dumbass. So what, I have the brain but not the muscles? Oh give me a few seconds, will you? Help! Anyone, help! Hey, I'm Raphael. I used to work in the movie industry as a professional Steadicam operator until I discovered that I could make pretty much any of the movie props I'm so passionate about using only that. That's incredible! In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn regular cardboard from Amazon and several boxes into this. Of course, you'll find the complete list of everything I use in the description box below, as well as all templates necessary for you to make it yourself at home. Now let's jump right into the tutorial. The first thing to do is cutting out the templates that you'll find in my shop in the description box below. Then, using a regular glue stick, glue them on your cardboard. Next, using a precision knife, a box cutter or very sharp scissor, cut out the pieces. You'll have to do that for all the following pieces of this tutorial. Cut the piece number 1 from the template number 1, smash the corrugations to make it more malleable, enclose these notches here with glue. To do so, I used a cheap 15-watt hot glue gun. Don't forget that you'll find all the tools and products that I use in the description box below this video. You should end up with a shape that looks like that. Cut the piece number 2, smash the corrugations, glue the notches with your hot glue gun, and glue this edge here on the edge on the piece number 1 over here. And do the same for the piece number 3, smash the corrugations and glue the notches, and glue it here. Cut the piece number 4, smash the corrugations and close the notches, and glue it here, that way. Next, cut the pieces from the templates number 2, 3 and 4. Smash the corrugations and close the notches, and glue them together following the number order the same way you did for the dome. You should end up with a shape that looks like that. Next, glue the two elements together on the edges here and here, starting by the front. And then, using the reversed pieces from the templates number 6, 7, 8 and 9, make the reversed side of the mask exactly the same way. And of course, glue them together on their edges, like that. If the opening here ends up to be a little bit narrow for your head, don't hesitate to remove a little bit of cardboard on the back over here. Next, make a mix of white glue and water. Tear up pieces from a grey paper, the same kind you receive within your Amazon deliveries for instance, soak them into the mix of white glue and water, remove any excess with your fingers, smash it lightly to make it more malleable, and cover the entire mask with these. so that you end up with a grey looks like that. Next, using grey uncorrugated cardboard, like the ones you get with your ice creams, cereal boxes or tissue boxes, cut several stripes like that are about 2 to 3 centimeters wide, and glue them all over the mask. Doing so, try to overlap the pieces like that, like, well, you were mummifying it. To do so, don't hesitate to have a look on the reference pictures that are linked in the description box below with the templates. Also, pay attention to emphasize the edges of the visor with a few stripes like that, so that you end up with a mask that looks like that. Next, using thin corrugated cardboard, the same kind you get from Amazon for the small items, cut all the small pieces from the template number 10. Of course, smash the corrugations to make them more malleable, close the notches, and glue them together on their edges following the number order, to end up with 3 elements like that. Glue the top one on the edge of the middle one here, and the bottom part underneath here and here. You should end up with a piece that looks like that. And using the reversed pieces from the template number 10, make the reverse side the same way and glue both elements together on this edge here. The same way you did for the mask, cover it with grey paper. Afterwards, using that same uncorrugated thin cardboard you used to make the stripes, cut a small rectangular like that, make a few cuts on the sides of it, shape it with your fingers to make it curvy, and glue regular white paper on it. We're gonna use it to make the eyeballs of the mask. To do so, glue it behind the hole here, and of course do the same for the reversed side. Also, make sure to remove what exceeds from the cardboard on the back. Next, for you to be able to see through the visor, make 2 small holes at eye level. These holes should be quite close to your eyes, so you should be able to see quite well through them. And then glue it inside the mask here, like that. If your eyes don't align with the eyes inside the mask, don't hesitate to adjust the space inside by gluing a few layers of cardboard where you feel the needs for it. And then, to make it sustainable and shiny, apply 2 layers of a glossy varnish. Pretty cool, isn't it? I don't know about you, but I really like that new Marvel show, and I think Oscar Isaac is awesome in it. So do you want me to make more things from that series? And if yes, what? Tell me in the comment section below. And if you want to watch more videos about how to make cardboard props from the Marvel universe like Thanos Gauntlet, the Stormbreaker, and many more, click this playlist right here, and of course subscribe if you are not already, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next epic build with cardboard. That's the problem when you have cuts, 4 cuts, you have to use that all the time. Today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn this into this. I have to stop doing this.